Look at that. It rolls nice and easy. This is the JOYTUTUS bike rack for 2 e-bikes. And this wonderful e-bike rack is very portable and required no assembly, and I think it's pretty awesome. And I'm Wyoming Rider, and I review electric bikes and other devices, including accessories like this, in the most rural state in the country. So come along with me on a new adventure. Now for the unboxing of the JOYTUTUS bike rack for 2 bikes. As you can see, the box is much smaller than most of these, and that is the reason why I accept it, as I do have a lot of things going on, but this one just looked really cool to me and different. And it looks like it's really portable, so that's why I was really interested in it. So let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. See how much assembly there is, if any, and how hard it is. A lot of cardboard for packing, that's a good thing. But that's what it looks like. This looks like our ramps. Let's see if I can just muscle this thing out of here. Strap on. Yeah, not too bad. Same weight as a really lightweight e-bike. Wow, look at that. This is going to be really easy because it looks like there is absolutely no assembly. Look at that. It rolls nice and easy. I'm going to show you right quickly. You get this separate little box in there. And as you can see, it has these little rubber pieces. It looks like probably for the cables attached to the bike. One Allen wrench in there, a hex wrench. You do get the manual. And a lock with the keys. You get this little padlock. But yeah, already it looks really freaking cool. Like I said, it's nice and portable. It's like the part that goes on the hitch. And here's one of the arms to hold the bikes. And it looks like the rails are kind of made out of this really durable plastic, so that means it's lightweight. Plenty strong though. So next we'll take it out and put it on my truck and see what it looks like and how hard this is to put on there. And as you can see, there was no assembly required. Actually, I guess I could take that back a little bit. The only thing I had to put on was those little rubber protector pieces. I messed around with it so I could figure out how to lock it back together. I think I've got all that figured out. And this is the ramp, by the way. And this is the other accessories we will need. I'm going to set the ramp over here for now, along with these accessories. All right, so as you can see, it rolls around very easily. So if you're on the concrete like this is great. Even if you're not, it's pretty lightweight. So it's like, I think 58 pounds. So really easy to move around, much easier than the other bike racks I have. I can say that for sure. And that's what intrigued me about it. So anyway, let me show you how to get this thing ready. We're just gonna unlock these, because these are for the bike rails to hold the bikes in place, but they also lock the device together so they don't open up on you. That way you can store it wherever you need to store it and open it up when you're ready. And it opens up just like that. And lost one of my little grommets there. Whoops, put that back on there. That's how easy those are to put on. Yeah, I have not done this part yet, but this is to hold the bikes, of course. So I'll unlock this. I do believe this folds down now. Let me figure that out. I'll be right back. All right, I found out I was doing it right. It was just kind of stuck, like the first time, maybe from shipping or something. But anyway, you got to push this little lever all the way down. Then your hitch part comes out, just like that. Now we're ready to put it on the truck. All right, so then all I need to do, pick it up and put it on there. And I probably should have rolled it over. Now once that's down, let's lift this back a minute. Lift that back up. And then we're gonna let it down. Like that. Let's pick it up. And we're gonna line it up here. Slide it in. Pull this part out, because this is what we're going to use to lock it in place here. Try to line your hole up like that. And there you go. Done. It is that simple. No bolt to put in there. Now, most of them you got to screw a big bolt in or put a big lock pin, but no, this kind of does it for you. But for security, you can also do this. All I got to do now is just push this down in the back, lift this up out of the way, because this is the lean thing for the bike, so you can open the tailgate as well. The reason why I want to do that, 2 reasons. There's a little bolt right here, and you just tighten this up. So it also holds it in place nicely. Good and tight here. Got another one. Yeah, that should be good. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. Now, once you get that part screwed in there, then this is where the lock comes in. keep anybody from just taking it off. Put the lock on it and lock it down just like that. And then you can just lean this thing back. Yeah, so ready to use. All right, so I got a couple of bikes out here. So next we'll go ahead and load these things up. First you want to start with loosening up these 2 bolts on the bottom here on the ramp. Get it extended out. You get 2 taller bikes. I think this will be probably the best way to demonstrate this. As it goes, tighten our bolts back down here. It stays good and steady. Then we'll go ahead and hook one on here. It's like you hook it from the bottom. It's just like that, so that way there's no way that thing's coming loose from there. That's a thing I've seen with some of the other ones. Also too, you want to take these straps, there's a little slot that holds these for you. Let's go ahead and put them all in there. Where all our straps are out of the way. I'll put this mountain bike on here first. Just gonna line it up with the ramp. Simply roll it up here. Now this is the closer one. Got 2 here. Let's see where the best place is. And every one of these bikes are gonna be a little bit different. There we go. Now that should hold in place for us. Now all we're gonna do, pull this out of there. Line this up with the rim, there's a little rubber grommet. Push that down in there. Like that. It's already good and steady. Yeah, that is not going anywhere. So now what we're gonna do, you're gonna move that ramp around to this side, load up the other bike the other way. I think I've found a way to make this even better. I just end up pushing those straps over there, so that way I don't even have to fool with that, getting them back out of that slot later and them things getting in the way. So now, another pretty large bike here, or tall at least, a little skinnier than that one, about equal in weight. Roll these up here. Gonna have to watch the handlebars of that one because they're kind of wide, so they don't hit each other. Carefully roll it on up. Now we need that longer strap, and as you see, this is a step through, so I'm only going to be able to put it around here. Hopefully this works. We'll see how versatile it is here. You can see already it's not going anywhere. But now we're going to go ahead and put the other straps in there to make this even better. Definitely gonna have to slide our grommet down more. Everything's tightened down. We're good. Take the ramp back off, and I'll just unloosen these and slide it back together. Or I could just leave it in place like that. So we'll be using it again shortly to unload them. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right, now that I get everything secure, now we're just gonna take it out for a ride. And I've got my 360 camera on there, so I can show you what it looks like when their bikes are on there and how stable it is. So let's go take a ride around and we'll bring them back and unload them. Parked in a different spot now, but I just want to show you I made it back. As you can see, they're still good and stable. I took it on one of the probably worst roads in existence down the hill down there. That terrible dirt road, and it did just fine. I'll probably make this a little tighter, I think, next time. It did just fine. I mean, that was a terribly rough road. I want to show you one other feature I forgot to show you earlier here. Press this thing here. It tilt forward just like this. Move the mount camera back. That way you can see how they're laying down there. Then you can look down your tailgate. Look at that. It doesn't interfere without having to actually take the bikes off. Pretty cool feature. And then when you're done, you just pick them back up and they'll go right back in place. Just like that. Really awesome. And next we'll just take down one of these bikes to show you. And I don't want to take up too much room because basically we're just doing the same thing we did earlier. Gonna hook the ramp back up and take one of them down. And we'll take these off first. do this. This, of course, is gonna let it free here. Now we can either roll it back down, or if you're strong enough, you can just pick it up and take it off the rack too, which I could easily do, but we're gonna do it down. I'm gonna do it the way of the intent. Just steer around that handlebar. Just like that. All right, so there you go. So once again, this is a JOYTUTUS. This is the bike rack for 2 e-bikes, and I think it's an awesome product. I really like this thing. It's very portable. And I do want to go ahead and take this one off because there's one more feature I want to show you here. All right, and I did want to show you, there's 2 other features I forgot to show you here earlier. One is both of these arms, the longer one there and the shorter one. I'll show you on the shorter one because it's easy. They also have locks on them. So if you lock this like that, now you can no longer take it out of there. It's just pretty cool. So if you unlock it again, it comes right out. Pretty darn cool. And you just fold those down when you're done with them. The next cool feature it does is these fold up just like that. So just like it was in the beginning, you can fold this thing up and use the strap to hold it. You can use both of them or just one of them or however you want to do it. It doesn't open back up and it doesn't take up a lot of room now. Very simple, very easy, and it's locked to your vehicle. Makes it a little more difficult to steal. Not that I have too much trouble with that around here, but look how small it is. It's great. Wonderful feature. So once again, this is the JOYTUTUS bike rack for 2 e-bikes. And I think it's a wonderful product, and I definitely recommend it. So if you want one of these, please check out my link down in the description below. And if I have any coupon codes, I'll also add those. So yeah, please check it out. I think it's well worth the money. I think this thing is like $3.89, but man, it is so portable and so cool. Very stable, awesome product. So thank you so much for coming along in today's adventure. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others, and I'll see you in the next one.